Hello everyone! Today let's discuss the practical applications of drone technology across multiple industrial sectors. I'm Simão and I'll be your guide through the landscape of professional drone usage in agriculture, construction, energy and military operations. In this exploration, we'll analyze how drones are strategically employed and the concrete advantages they bring, such as enhanced productivity and safety in practical situations. So let's begin our exploration with agriculture, a sector in which drones are indispensable tools for precision farming by harnessing sophisticated sensors and imaging capabilities. Drones provide farmers with precise data on crop health, soil conditions, and irrigation needs. This data-driven approach enables farmers to make informed decisions regarding crop management, leading to optimized yields and resource utilization. Moving on to the construction sector. Drones play a crucial role in site monitoring and surveying operations. Through high-resolution aerial imagery and 3D mapping, they offer construction companies valuable insights into project progress and site conditions. This data facilitates better project management, enhances safety protocols, and ultimately improves efficiency in construction processes. In the energy industry, drones are deployed for infrastructure inspection and maintenance tasks. Equipped with specialized sensors, they access inaccessible areas, providing accurate visual data for assessing the condition of power lines, wind turbines, and other critical assets. Routine drone inspections enhance the reliability and safety of energy operations by identifying potential issues before they escalate. But drones can also assist in military operations. They play an important role in reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Outfitted with advanced sensor technologies and swift deployment capabilities, they assist military personnel in gathering intelligence, monitoring enemy movements, and assessing battlefield conditions with precision and efficiency. The real-time data provided by drones enables rapid and informed decision-making, significantly enhancing operational effectiveness and minimizing risks in military contexts. As you can see, the integration of drones into industrial operations signifies a paradigm shift towards enhanced efficiency and safety standards. As we continue to explore the vast potential of drone technology, the possibilities for innovation within industries are limitless.